You've got that right. The Guardians are trained to protect the temple against all invaders, surface dwellers in particular. You need to find an extremely rare plant known as whalic seaweed. It's very valuable and will be well protected.
Leave Atlantis now!
Help! This guy's tougher than me!
All right. What's the matter? Couldn't take the heat?
That is a...
The humans are here! Dude, stop falling down!
This guy's tougher than me!
No problem. Now you know better than to mess with a ninja. Stop falling down! Would be where I caught you. Yeah, baby!
Now you will die, human!
Dude! I need help! Byrrah! And the pony!
The turkey's done.
Destroy the trespassers! The humans are advancing!
No problem. You're near the sonic emitters. They're what's making the Atlanteans so violent. Be very careful now. Atuma would not leave the devices unguarded.
I've located the trespassers!
Now, give me your milk money.
I believe these surface dwellers intend on destroying the sonic emitters, Krang.
Then these humans are as foolish as they are weak, my cousin. They stand no chance against our combined might.
True, but I do savor a chance for battle. I grow bored guarding these devices.
As do I. But acting as guards has put us in Atuma's good graces, and that puts us near the throne.
And down the road, who is to say what might happen to King Atuma, eh, cousin?
My feelings exactly. Now let us dispose of these interlopers and prove to Atuma just how trustworthy we are.
Oh, come on! Are you even trying?
Help! This guy's tougher than me!
I'm bigger and badder. Alright. Guess you didn't want a piece of me.
The surface dwellers are here.
I'm low on power, but rich in vitamin C. Right, like I have enough power to do that.
Finished already, human!
Dude, I need help! And a pony!
I've located the trespassers!
The turkey's done.
Right, like I have enough power to do that.
Scared yet?
Right, like I have enough power to do that.
Destroy the trespassers!
Right, like I have enough power to do that. Right, like I have enough power to do that. Right, like I have enough power to do that.
I've located the trespassers! Avenge me!
The turkey's done.
I've located the trespassers!
Dude, stop falling down!
It's only gonna get worse, Bob. See you around, sucker.
Ooh, did I win a new car, too?
I've located the trespassers!
Help! This guy's tougher than me!
Yes.
Help! Help!
Yes.
Could we at least try to stay together?
All right.
Good. With the sonic emitters destroyed, my people will eventually return to normal. Now you should get to the throne room of Atlantis as fast as you can. Yes. And who knows what he'll do when he finds out you're ruining his plans.
Destroy the trespassers! Thank you. You have saved my life. I am forever in your debt. No, I must repay you. Here is the combination to a safe located in a nearby sunken submarine. Please, use it and take whatever you find.